In the game of power, loyalty is overrated. Commitment is a trap, and choosing sides, that's how you become a pawn in someone else's game. Welcome to Law 20. Do not commit to anyone. We live in a world that demands loyalty, to people, to companies, to ideologies. But when it comes to power, commitment is rarely rewarded. More often, it's exploited. When you commit to someone, you give up leverage. You become predictable, dependent, and easy to control. But when you stay neutral, mysterious, and free, people chase you. Let's go back in time. In 16th century Europe, Queen Elizabeth I of England was under immense pressure to marry. Powerful nations offered royal matches, her advisors pushed for alliances, but she refused. Why? Because as long as she remained single, she held power over every suitor. Spain courted her. France tried to woo her. Each nation hoped to win her hand, and with it, influence over England. Elizabeth understood this law better than anyone. By refusing to commit, she turned desire into power. This is the strategy: make others invest in you, while you stay free. The moment you take a side, you limit your options, you inherit your allies' enemies, you share their weaknesses, and you risk being dragged down when they fall. By remaining independent, you stay above the chaos. You can shift, pivot, and adapt to them, while others are stuck defending their choices. Let's break this law into real-life scenarios. 1. The corporate world. You're a rising star in a company. 2 managers are fighting for influence. Both want you on their side. The insecure employee commits to one of them, thinking it guarantees safety. But when that manager is demoted, so is their team. The smarter move? Stay cordial with both. Offer value to both. Let them compete for your loyalty, but never fully give it. Result? You become more valuable, more respected, and harder to replace. 2. Romantic relationships. Some people fall into relationships too quickly. They commit everything, time, emotion, energy, without truly knowing the other person. And once they're in too deep, they can't walk away even when it's toxic. Power comes from maintaining your independence, even in love. Never give away all your leverage. Keep your identity, keep your options. The one who holds back holds the power. 3. Politics and social movements. History is full of people who aligned with political causes, only to be betrayed, abandoned, or punished when the tides shifted. Movements change, leaders fall, ideologies evolve, but once you're associated with one side, you carry that label forever, for better or worse. Greene's advice? Be like Switzerland, calm, neutral, but quietly powerful. Let's now talk about the 2 roles you can play in this law. 1. The independent. You don't rush into alliances, you let others approach you. You become the desirable prize, you extract favors without giving much in return. 2. The opportunist. You shift sides when needed. You ride trends without being defined by them. You remain unpredictable, dangerous, untouchable. But what if someone demands your loyalty? Then you must appear loyal, without truly being bound. Give the illusion of commitment. Say the right words. Do just enough. But in your mind, stay free. Keep your exit open. Your independence must always be intact, even if no one else sees it. Let's be clear, this law doesn't mean you betray people, it means you don't enslave yourself to them. True power lies in mobility, mental, emotional, and strategic. When you belong to no one, everyone wants to claim you. When you choose no side, both sides chase you. And here's a final warning. Once you commit, your freedom is gone. You're tied to their destiny. Their downfall becomes yours. Their enemies become yours. So resist the pressure. Don't be the eager follower. Be the free agent, calm, wise, and untouchable. Law 20. Do not commit to anyone, because power belongs to the one who stands alone above the fray. Thanks for watching. Click here to watch the next part.